We're officially halfway done with the winter season, and February is actually a great month to prepare your garden or yard for spring. Here are some tips and to-dos for the month of February. The following information was gathered from the Extension of Master Gardeners of Mecklenburg County. For your yard, do not weed and feed products this month, but do apply crabgrass preventer in late February. Now is also the perfect time to service your lawn equipment. The first round of fertilizer can be put down for fescue grass and other cool season lawns as well. Make a plan, assess what worked and didn't last season, and map out what you want to do this year. Bulbs. Start being aware that early spring bulbs could start growing soon. When these are about 1 inch high, start removing mulch and fertilize those emerging bulbs. Doing this on a cloudy day is the best idea. This is also a good time to buy your fall flowering bulbs, such as dahlias and lilies, but do not plant them yet. Soil temperatures need to be at least 55 degrees. If you have pansies, they should be fed at the end of the month. For your ornamentals, late February is pruning season for crepe myrtles and summer blooming shrubs. All right, vegetable gardeners, get ready, get set, trowel, because some vegetables, believe it or not, can and should be planted right now. Arugula can be planted until late March. Asparagus crowns can be planted from early February to late March. Cabbage from February 15th to April 1st. Carrots from now until March 8th. Lettuce's planting window is open all the way up to the end of April. An onion and green onion could have been planted in January, but the window is still open through March. And we're done for February, but truly, we've only just begun. With your weather IQ, wait, scratch that, your garden IQ, I'm meteorologist Chris Mulkey.